Spider-Man, Spider-Man, that's what a spider can. Look out! Here comes the Spider-Man. Where is Advaith? Where is Advaith? Hey Spider-Man, what are you doing here? I climbed all through the day. I'm tired and thirsty. No worries. Welcome to Advaith's Kitchenette. I'm going to make 2 milkshakes. One for you, one for me. Let's get started. Now we are going to make Cornflakes Milkshake. Take a blender, put cornflakes, sugar, milk, vanilla essence, and chocolate syrup. Blend it completely. The Cornflakes milkshake is ready. Now we are going to make banana milkshake. Take a blender. Put banana, walnuts and dates, half cup milk, blend it. Now add the remaining milk and some honey. Blend it again. Super quick banana milkshake is ready. The milkshakes are ready. Spider-Man, you take Cornflakes milkshake and I'll taste banana milkshake. Wow! Cornflakes milkshake? Very tasty. I'm getting more energy. Thank you, Spider-Man. Try this recipe at your home. See you with the next